Diamond Dixon. The 2020 pandemic highlighted how many are struggling mentally and emotionally, and Texas A&M is making efforts to show students there is no shame in asking for help. Texas A&M will host its Mental Health and Suicide Awareness Week to support students' mental health and overall well-being starting February 27th. I spoke with their counseling office and student body president to learn more. Student Body President Case Harris says there is a gap between students and available resources that needs mending.
Mental health is a real challenge that students all across campus are facing. And there's a disconnect between the resources that we have here at A&M and our students, and we need to find a way to connect the resources to the students.
A&M Student Government and Aggies Reaching Aggies made the decision to combine their mental health and suicide awareness weeks.
It's really a partnership all throughout campus. Because we all know how important mental health is to our students, and I think that combining our resources and our outreach efforts is what can really make this week special.
Dr. James DeGear with the Counseling and Psychological Services says the pandemic plays a major role in the issues students face today.
Since then, we've seen spikes in social anxiety for students. We've seen a definite spike in academic distress. Students having been home trying to do learning, they got behind academically, and now they're really stressed out trying to figure out how to get back on track.
Harris wants his fellow classmates to know help is always available.
We want to make sure that we are destigmatizing the conversation around mental health. There is still a stigma that if you're dealing with mental health, some students believe that you can't talk about that or you can't go to anyone about that. And we want to make sure that students know that they can and that the opportunity is there, and we're encouraging that.
Throughout the week, students, faculty, and staff can participate in various activities such as a mental health panel, coffee with a counselor, yoga, and playing with puppies.
There are going to be opportunities for doing training in QPR so that students can learn tactics and techniques for being able to reach out to fellow students and inquire about their mental health and get them directed towards help. People can reach out by phone. They can reach out virtually by chat or through the internet. Through My SSP, we have helpline that's still available.
You can find the full list over on our website at carehcnews.com.